Hey guys, thanks for joining our video today. We're going to be showing you how we use ordinary trash bags to make our potato garden. The key is to use someplace that's got a mulch base to it. So my wife is digging up the front flower beds and creating that space so the roots can dig down into it. And now our daughter is cutting the potatoes in half. And you want to fill them up about 1/3 of the way with the compost. We are using that composted mulch we talked about in our previous video. I'll leave the link above.
It's somewhat clean dirt, like
Soil.
Well, not well, but like just water treatment plant soil.
And one of the most crucial steps in this is you've got to put drainage holes in it. That's where the roots will dig down deep and get into the soil that's underneath, and they will grow. And this last tip, which will help you to double your potato growth, you need to put the potatoes at different levels. You can see Lauren here is putting 2 of the potatoes about 3 inches from the bottom at the corners, and then she's putting the other 2 about halfway through the bag. What kind of potatoes are those?
Red potatoes.
And we're just going to repeat that process for the remainder of the bags. All right, so the experiment is white bags
They're taller and skinnier.
versus the black trash bags,
Yes.
which is what most people use.
Yeah.
So we'll see how they work. That'll be interesting at the end, which one yields the most potatoes. All right, time to exchange our buckets for our compost. Empty buckets with the full buckets. Take a peek. All right, well, thank you guys for watching our video today. We will update you on the progress of our potatoes. See you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.